ArcGIS Online is a GIS web-based geographical information system that is designed to help organizations, companies, and individuals to create, manage, and easily share maps and other geographical data online. It is a cloud-based platform that offers a suite of tools including data visualization, mapping, analysis, and collaboration that allow users to create and share geospatial data on the web. In this class, we will learn about the different types of ArcGIS Online accounts. We will also explore the various features available on the platform. The first type of ArcGIS Online account is the public account, which is available for free for anyone. Public account users have access to a wide range of basic functions and features such as map creation, layer addition, and map sharing. In addition, the public account allows users to access and use a variety of templates and applications, including story maps, web applications, and mobile applications. One important thing to keep in mind about the public account is that Esri, the owner company of ArcGIS Online, regularly adds new features and updates to the platform. These updates are available to anyone with a public account, ensuring that users always have access to the latest tools and features. To access the public account, users simply need to navigate to the ArcGIS Online website and register to get a free account. After these theoretical classes, I will guide you through the process of creating this type of account, which will allow you to carry out the activities of the first part of the course. The second type of ArcGIS Online account is the organization account, which is designed for companies, government agencies, nonprofit organizations, and other groups that need to host maps and data, which will be private property and shared only within the organization with an organization account. Users have access to all the same functions and features as the public account, but with additional specific tools and capabilities for the needs of the company or institution. One of the main benefits of this account is that it provides users with a URL dedicated to the name of their organization. This URL can be customized to reflect a brand, product, or name in particular, which makes it easier for organization members to find and access their account. There are two types of ArcGIS Online organization accounts: Standard and Premium. The difference between them is based on whether or not you have a dedicated server. Let's look at the differences between Standard and Premium accounts and how they affect performance and access to data. A Standard organization account is the basic level of an ArcGIS Online account. It provides access to servers based on the Esri cloud that host data, applications, and maps. The data is stored in shared servers, which means that several users share the same server. As a result, performance may vary depending on the number of users who access the server and the amount of data that is processed at a given time. This can cause slow performance and reduced productivity. A Premium organization account is the advanced level of an ArcGIS Online account. It provides a dedicated server, which means it has its own server that is not shared with other users. This ensures that the performance of your account is consistent and that the traffic to access your account is not shared with anyone else. This provides better performance, which is especially important for organizations that require high-quality data and reliable connectivity. The Premium organization account offers several benefits, including better performance with a dedicated server, can guarantee constant and reliable performance even during periods of high activity. More security with a dedicated server has more control over the security of your data. It can control who has access to the data and how they are protected. Customization with a dedicated server can customize your account to meet the specific needs of your organization. You can choose the hardware and software that best adapts to your needs and configure your account accordingly. In short, ArcGIS Online is a very good tool that allows organizations and individuals to create, manage, and share geospatial data on the web. The platform offers a wide range of functions and mapping tools, data visualization, analysis, and collaboration. Users can choose the level of access and customization that best adapts to their needs. In addition, the premium organization account provides dedicated servers which guarantees consistent and reliable performance, greater security, and customization options. We have finished for now. See you in the next class.